In the Rococo review of robotic ruses, where EAs extol endless equities yet engender empty exchequers, I've been the wry ringmaster reigning over the MASHALLAH Pro on my IC Markets account for months. And zounds, it's delivered plus 5,215.54% gains with the panache of a parodic profit. A Telegram tattler trumpeted it as the EA that safeguards grids without the grief. And after its droll dominion over drawdowns, I'm bound to burlesque this bounty. Hearken to my review of this MASHALLAH Pro maestro of momentum. The zip folder for the MASHALLAH Pro disrobes with ducal decorum. A brisk right-click and extract here liberates the EX4 file, set file, and installation instructions in seconds. I ferried the EX4 to MT4's Experts Enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the MASHALLAH Pro to BTCUSD's M15 proscenium, invoked the set file, and it commenced its pirouette of trades forthwith. No tantrums, no tardy DLLS, merely the elegance of expedience. Peruse MyFXBook, as one might a scandal sheet. And there the MASHALLAH Pro parades its plus 5,215.54% absolute gain escapade on IC markets, ballooning deposits into a hefty balance with massive profit after partial withdrawals, daily 0.23% chuckles, monthly 7.2% guffaws, equity curve of bemused ascent lampooning manual traders flatlines despite some volatility spikes. Profitability at high level, meaning trades winners comfortably above the 60% benchmark for hybrid grid bots that ride institutional flows. Average win? A juicy pips per pop, while losses are reined in thanks to the MASHALLAH Pro's built-in safeguard hybrid entry logic, smart recovery grid system, divine news filter to avoid high-impact events, and auto-compound growth engine that keep drawdowns tame. Get this. Net profit in the thousands? That's the kind of edge that compounds reliably on BTCUSD without reckless overexposure. Drawdown's only 41.04% absolute, so even in choppy sessions, equity recovers swiftly. Risk of ruin negligible? Profit factor healthy and covers everything nicely. For every euro risked, you're steadily pulling in more. Commissions? Minimal impact on my broker, and the expectancy per trade is positive enough to handle them easy. Hold time's reasonable for M15 entries. This month's analytics? Steady climb with the graph barely dipping. It's not endless fireworks, but it's thriving boldly, giving me peace of mind and time to enjoy life instead of glued to charts. If you're after a bot that delivers explosive long-term hauls with disciplined risk on crypto, this MASHALLAH Pro is the real deal, hands down. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part. Quick! Fired the MASHALLAH Pro on MT4 with ticks from recent data and, solid numbers. Initial deposit $10,000. Total net profit $30,351.81. Gross profits towering over losses for that clean edge. Trades balanced. Win rate strong overall. Average trade positive with max drawdown controlled. Aggressive yet safe performance, no drama. Perfect for live confidence. So, wrapping this up, if the MASHALLAH Pro has you as pumped as it has me after testing it hands-on, head over to our website where this specific bot is available right now. Full details in the description below, including that instant download link for the set file and manual. To stay in the loop on updates, performance tweaks, and more insider tips, just join our Telegram group. It's the spot for real traders chatting MASHALLAH Pro strategies. Links right there too. Alright, that's my take. Happy trading, folks!